Imagine a world where understanding crime becomes the key to prevention. Today, we delve into theories of criminal behavior, illuminating critical insights on why people commit crimes. Let's unravel the complexities together. Criminal behavior isn't random. It's shaped by various biological, psychological, and social factors. This video will introduce the key theories surrounding criminal behavior, helping you grasp their impact on real-world crime. First, let's explore biological theories. These suggest genetics, hormones, and brain functions influence criminal behavior. Genetic studies reveal that factors like heredity significantly affect antisocial tendencies. Similarly, neurological conditions, particularly in the prefrontal cortex, can lead to poor impulse control and aggressive tendencies. Next, psychological theories focus on individual thought processes. They emphasize that environmental influences and personal experiences mold one's response to crime. Theories like psychodynamic and cognitive appraisals explain how childhood experiences and thought patterns affect moral reasoning, which can lead to criminal engagement. Moreover, social theories illustrate how relationships and societal structures shape behavior. Social learning theory emphasizes that we learn by observing and mimicking others. Therefore, crime can occur when individuals associate more with criminal than lawful peers, leading to deviance. It's crucial to understand how these theories interact. For example, life course persistent offenders and adolescent limited offenders illustrate diverse pathways into crime. Life course offenders often exhibit chronic antisocial behavior early in life, whereas adolescent offenders typically engage in crime during teenage years due to peer pressure and social factors. Let's exemplify a scenario. Consider two individuals, Alex and Jamie. Alex, raised in a supportive environment, later integrates well into society and tries to prevent crime. Jamie, exposed to crime among peers, ends up mimicking unlawful behaviors. Here, we see the tangible influence of social theories on criminal behavior. In summary, criminal behavior stems from a blend of biological, psychological, and social factors. Understanding these theories equips us to develop effective prevention strategies and individualized interventions. Ready to learn more? Dive deeper into these theories, or explore ways to contribute positively to society. Share, subscribe, and be part of the conversation.